If you're spending 30 minutes a day at home wriggling on the floor like a fish out of water, thinking you're building muscle, I've got some bad news for you. You're just wasting your time and making your joints cry in the corner. Let's fix this mess right now. The number one most common mistake in home workout history, the half rep. Do you really think doing a quarter drop in a push-up and blasting back up makes you a superhero? In reality, your chest muscles are completely asleep, while your shoulders are sending out an SOS signal. The golden rule here? If you don't drop down until your chest almost touches the floor and lock out at the top with a solid squeeze, you're not working out. You're just greeting the floor. Take a look at our friend on the left. He's trying to build abs, but instead, he's basically trying to rip his own neck off. Your abs won't show just because you're pulling your head with your hands like you're trying to uproot a tree. The secret here isn't about how high you go. It's about the slow, controlled crunch. Keep your neck locked and put 100% of the focus on squeezing your upper and lower abs. Remember, abs are made through mind-muscle connection, not by wrecking your cervical spine. And now, here is the secret that fans of fast reps to impress your friends are hiding from you. Muscles don't just grow when you push yourself up. They actually grow way more when you fight gravity on the way down. The lowering phase should take a full 2 to 3 seconds. Yes, it hurts, and yes, your muscles will feel like they're on fire. But that is the only difference between a truly athletic body and a body that's just vibrating. Working out at home without equipment is a double-edged sword. You can either use it to build a powerful, perfect physique, or use it to book a direct trip to the orthopedic doctor. The choice is yours. If you're tired of the same old recycled advice and want to know how to train smart with science and zero BS, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and let's change the game together in the next videos. Peace.